Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to like an Instagram story post. Before we get into it, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I also have hundreds of other Instagram tutorials and experiments that you can check out. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap on an Instagram story post here. So we have this one right here, and in the bottom right corner you'll see a new like button. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that. And that's basically just a new feature where you can like story posts. Nothing too crazy, but a nice little add-on there. Also, if the post was yours, you can tap on that and you can see down here in the bottom left that some hearts will appear if someone has liked your story post. So I can swipe up and I'll be able to see who's liked that. So I just like this one from my other account. Nobody's really using this feature yet. So like if I look at my post, no one here has been liking any of my stories yet. Probably because it's a brand new feature. Not a lot of people know about it. But if someone does like it, it'll show a little heart there next to their name. So yeah, that's how you do it. Just tap the heart on the bottom right of the story and you're good to go. Nothing too crazy, but just sharing that this is there and a quick tutorial for how to use it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.